Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 28. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can easily select one word in the ABAP Editor. So if you are familiar with other editors like Notepad, like Word, or also in the browser, then normally you can select a word by double clicking on a word and then the whole word is selected, and then you can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste the selected word. In the ABAP Editor, or especially in the SAP system, it works a little bit different. So if I would double click on one field, so for example on this variable LV date, then you are going into the root. So you're going one step before for the definition of this. Or for example, if I'm double clicking on T echo, then I'm going to this defined type, or directly to echo, then I would go to the transparent table definition within the ABAP dictionary in the SE11. So especially for ABAP beginners, this can be one step that you have to learn, not to double click to select a word, but double click basically means forward navigation or going into the root. And to select a word, that you can do, of course, you can click and then move your cursor to the part that you would like to select, and then you can use Ctrl+C to copy this. You can also do it with another trick, so you can use hitting the Control key and then click on a word. So for example here for the purchasing document category, I hit the Control key and then click here. I hit always the Control key, and as you can see, the whole word is selected quite easily, and then you can directly use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste this. So by saying this, please subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 72 great videos left about ABAP tips and tricks, and if you have any comments or questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.